Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make the pattern of this high-low circle skirt with very easy steps. So this is the second method I'm going to show you. I have another method on my channel that I'll link in the description box. Make sure you subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my pattern paper and I'm going to fold it for 2 times, and after folding I'll have 4 openings: 1 2 3 4, as you can see. Then this other side is going to be enclosed. So the first thing I'll do is I'm going to go on the enclosed part and I'm going to mark the radius of my waist, which was calculated using my waist circumference divided by 6. So whatever your circumference of waist is, just divide it by 6 and mark your radius. Then get your measuring tape and start rotating it, marking whatever radius you calculated. For example, if your waist circumference is 30 inches, divide 30 by 6, meaning your radius is going to be 5 inches. Then you're going to mark like I am doing with your measuring tape. Then after marking, you're going to connect these dots. I'm going to use my curve ruler to connect the dots. Then after connecting the dots with my curve ruler, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to determine the full length for the back. So I'll determine how long I want my skirt to be. So this is just for pattern drafting illustration purposes. You can use a bigger pattern paper if you want to make it bigger. This is just a demonstration that I'm going to use for teaching purposes. So I'm going to determine how long and start rotating and marking like I am doing. The next, I'm going to connect these points together. Then after connecting and joining the points, I'm just going to cut it out with my pair of scissors. Then after cutting out, I'm going to open it up and show you how beautiful the circle looks like. Give this video a thumbs up if you love to watch more videos from me. So I'm going to determine which part is going to be my back and my front. As you can see, this is a circle. Once I fold it to be a half semicircle, so half of it will be my back. I'll just label it as my back, then the other half will be my front. So this is my back and this is my front of the skirt. So what I'm going to do next is, this is the front. I'm going to trim and make the front shorter because it's a high-low skirt. I'm going to give it a high-low effect. So this is the back will remain as it is, then the front is the one that I'm going to trim off. So I'm just going to go on my front side and trim it off using this simple technique. So from the center there, I'm going to go downwards by 1 inch. Just get my measuring tape and measure 1 inch here. Then from this 1 inch, I'm going to, even on the other side, I'm going to do the same. Then I'm going to start trimming off. You can trim as low as you want depending on how low you want the front side to be. So I'm just going to get my pair of scissors and I'm going to start trimming off, starting from this 1 inch mark. I'm just going to start going in and making it low, giving it a high-low effect. So if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and watch more sewing and pattern drafting video tutorials from me. So I also have another method. This is another method of making the high-low skirts. You can check out my other method, which I'm going to link in the description box down below. So I'm just giving it a high-low effect. If you want it very low, so to an extent of the thighs showing, you can trim it further than this. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This is how you easily make your high-low skirt pattern with very easy steps that are very beginner friendly. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe and watch more sewing and pattern drafting video tutorials from me.